What are we gonna do today?
Are
we baking today?
Yeah, we are making princess unicorn wands, and we are making banana bread, and first we are making princess unicorn wands.
Okay. So what do we need to make princess unicorn wands?
We need sugar.
We need sugar, but what kind? And this is a recipe made out of the brain of Carolyn. So she came up with this all on her own, guys. So this is hers. This is a trademark Carolyn recipe.
Yeah.
We need. What do we need?
Pretzels.
Pretzels. Pretzel sticks.
I'm hungry for pretzels.
Oh yeah.
You can make it.
Oh, and this is Alexander, who is going to be our taste tester.
Yeah.
So he's going to taste the pretzels.
Yeah.
He's already ready to go for taste testing. Here we go. Let us know how they taste.
Yummy.
Yes. So we need pretzels. We need
Sugar.
what kind?
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. We're gonna get. We've got some.
Butter.
We've got some shortening. We've got some
Lemon.
We've got some.
Vanilla.
We've got some
Color.
food coloring.
And sprinkles.
We've got a little bit of
Milk.
and we've got our
Spoons.
measuring spoons.
Measuring spoons. And another measuring spoon. And a measuring cup.
Some extra towels. We've got our what?
I forgot.
It's our stand mixer, which does most of the heavy work, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're very careful with it because
Yeah.
we don't want to get our fingers caught. That would be a really bad thing. So we've got to be really careful when we're using
Let's do it. Let's start it.
All right. So let's start it. So first we're going to do what?
Keep pencils.
Oh, first we're going to get the pretzels. Okay. So you're going to pick out the pretzels you want?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
There.
All right. So now we make our frosting.
Yeah.
And so we're going to make our own frosting, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So what do we need to do first?
Sugar.
Close. We need to
Do
cream our butters
Butter.
and fats. So
Fat.
we are going to make a buttercream frosting.
Yeah.
And we are using butter, but we are also using shortening. And I know a lot of people are going to say, what, or ew, but the shortening will keep the frosting a little bit more stiff, and it'll keep it on our pretzels hopefully a little bit longer. So the frosting is there to give it a little bit more form. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, so now we're going to, do you want to open it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, we've all washed our hands now. And while we took that break to wash our hands, let's get Alex on the camera. I've gotten half a cup of butter in here and a half a cup of shortening. So we should be ready to go. We're gonna start out with that, and then if it's not stiff enough, then we'll add some shortening to it. A little bit more.
it.
All right, kid. So, Alex, do you want to sit right here? Swap, sissy? No? Okay. Well, then, we're gonna flip everything around real quick. All right, let's put the butter in and get this thing started.
Right here. Watch this.
Okay.
Get this out. I'm on.
You're all done?
There.
Did you want some more? All right, now I'm gonna turn on our mixer
Yeah. And then
and wait for a couple of minutes. poofy. Poofy. And then we'll move on to the next step.
Yeah!
So we're gonna push down the sides to make sure that we get everything in there. Everything's getting whipped together. So you'll see it got a little bit lighter, but I just took a second to push down the sides so that everything gets mixed. Alright, so we've let it kind of whip for about 2 or 3 minutes. You can see it's gotten a little bit of air in there. It's a little bit more fluffy. Yeah, so you see?
I cannot see.
You cannot see?
I will do this.
Alright, let's check it out together. Woo, look at that. Really good looking, huh? Do you want to see? No? Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let it run for 1 more minute while we measure out some powdered sugar.
Yeah.
So, we need about 4 cups of powdered sugar. So can you start pouring? This is 1 cup, this is 2. So you can measure up to here 4 times or up to here 2 times. You pick, which one do you want to do?
2 times.
2 times? Alright, so measure up to there 1 time. Pretty good. Alright, now stop it. Okay. And we're gonna pour in a little bit of it at a time. So we don't want to pack stuff down, Carolyn, because we want air in there. So we're gonna try to make it a little bit shaky. Okay. So for this, we have to go slow, because what happens if we don't go slow? Remember?
Yeah.
Was it fly? Oh.
You'll have a big mess. So we go slow. We mix it in slowly. Okay, buddy. And then we stop it. Or something. You don't want any more. Okay. You're waiting for the frosting? Do you want to do this? Or do you want mommy to do these parts?
Yeah, these parts.
You want mommy to do these parts? Okay. Alright, and Alex, you go. So far, we don't have any vanilla in there, but what do you think?
Good. Looks good. I'm gonna taste it.
Tastes like frosting?
I want to taste this. I want to taste it. I'm gonna taste it.
Why don't you get a, let me get you a spoon. Oh. So we're going to now put in some milk, a little bit of milk, some vanilla, and I just kind of put stuff in there. You can measure it out, but I put about 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or water, and then put some lemon juice in there, a couple squeezes, and then some vanilla.
Then we are all done. All done is frosting. Then we are all done with frosting.
Well, we should be.
I like mine.
So let's see how it's coming.
I like mine.
Okay. Probably put a little bit more vanilla and lemon in there. And maybe a pinch of salt. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get the salt real quick.
What? Look at that! Look at my hand.
Also, we did use salted butter for this. Typically you'd put a little bit of salt in there. We used salted butter instead.
Oh.
I don't think it was enough salt, so I put a little bit more in. I'm gonna put a little dash of vanilla.
Yum. That's good. That's
And
good.
a little splash again of lemon juice. Okay. So now we're going to.
No.
No.
All right.
Does it taste good?
Does it taste good? Is it good now? Does it pass the taste test? Let's see. That's Mom's taste test. I think it might still need a little bit of vanilla, but I think it's good for right now. Okay. In this little cup. Okay. Oh, that's good, Alex. Thank you, buddy. And so now we're gonna color our frosting.
Yeah. Hi guys. We are ready and go. And then I'm gonna pick.
Carolyn's gonna show you guys how to make a unicorn wand now. Now that we've got our frostings ready.
Look.
Oh.
Put it in here.
It's 100% how you make a unicorn wand
Yeah,
for yourself.
you just-
if you want to make them for somebody else, you can pick a color, or like she did, 3 colors.
I love the 3
I'm gonna
colors.
pick just one color. I'm gonna get a purple, and then roll it in the sprinkles. And we're just gonna put it on our tray and let it kind of get set for a little bit.
Now I'll do it.
Keep on doing some more.
And then we keep doing that. Ooh, that's a good idea, Carolyn. There's probably a better way to not cross-contaminate so much. We'll have to try that again for next time.
A kids fun cooking show.
Kids fun cooking show. I like it.
Yummy.
How about cooking with Carolyn?
No.
No?
Mom's kids fun cooking show.
Right. Kids fun cooking show.
So much on this.
Back.
We're back. We've got our it is time now for our official taste test from our taste tester, Alexander. So Carolyn, do you want to make him one to taste test? What about the one that you just ate? Did you like it?
Pick whichever one you want.
The blue
Yeah.
one? Okay. There you go. Taste test. Thumbs up!
Thumbs up.
Yay! That's great. All right. So I think we've made our whole tray. We've got a couple.
We didn't do the whole. I got tiny blue and Rocky.
Right, friends.
Medium.
We're gonna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Alex and Carolyn.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good luck making your unicorn wands.
And so now we will do if we got information.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.